day everyone, my name is Danny Ng from API Electronic Services. Of the 20 years, we have actually refurbished close to 160,000 pieces of IT equipment, and we are aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal in terms of providing better environment by reducing, reusing and refurbishing IT equipment for Malaysia market. To ensure that we continuously provide good quality refurbished IT equipment to Malaysia, we have actually came up with a stringent 8-point test for all our equipments before sending out to the market. These are the 8 points that we carried out in API Electronic Services to ensure the customers get good quality refurbished IT equipment. Certified in-house engineer to conduct quality check. It is our company policy to only allow certified and qualified engineers to conduct the testing and refurbishing process. Upon data wiping and reformatting the incoming machines, one of our key priorities is to clean, disinfect and vacuum every unit. We want our customers to receive a clean and good as new machine. Motherboard checking and internal cleaning. Inspect and perform functional tests on all smartphones and mainboards. Notebook fan is also cleaned and vacuumed. Every laptop or smartphone LCD or LED screen brightness is tested for their optimal contrast ratio. Any decoloration or off contrast ratio screen will be immediately replaced. All input devices and interface are also tested to verify their functionality and reliability. These include keyboard display lighting, optical drive reading speed, USB interface, network cable port and Wi-Fi port. We also test the durability of every battery using a plug-in power testing device. The test is to ensure that the charging cycle of the battery is normal. Batteries with low lifespan will be replaced. We will then run through a customized software to ensure no bad sectors in hard disk. This software will also enable us to track CPU and graphic card performance and temperature. Running at optimal temperature allows the CPU and graphic card to perform better. Our professional logistics staff take the necessary care and attention during packing by bubble wrapping every unit. An experienced supervisor will then verify the package content before sealing and sending off the package. Being 20 years in the industry with proven track record, it is very important for us to consistently improve on these stringent checkpoints to upkeep our reputation. API Electronic Services, your professional refurbished IT equipment partner.